It's a 2015 Chevrolet Equinox. Stylish, energized, and ready for takeoff, this is a multitasker that doesn't compromise. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Ecotech engine, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, rear parking sensors, driver memory seats, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, voice activation, aluminum wheels, memory exterior door mirror settings, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection remarks, whether you're moving into the Equinox from a mid-size car or from a more truck-like SUV, you'll find a lot to like in the cabin design. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Experience the difference at Rochester Ford. We're conveniently located between 41st Street and 55th Street Northwest on Highway 52 in Rochester, Minnesota.